What does a typical coaching session with you look like for a C-level executive?
The first thing we need to do is any C executive usually have a lot of assertiveness, and because they are leaders, they walk with this pride, this certainty about who they are. But no creature in this world has no blind spots and no vulnerabilities. And a lot of times they're running in the back end. So what we do, the first thing is to create a safe space where they can unpack these vulnerabilities and these blind spots. So that way we can reframe it. And what I mean by that is we have a these blind spots can be running the show without noticing. And a lot of times they have a higher effect in our performance than we realize. When we tap to them, and for that, we need to really focus in what is the payoff. So that way we understand what is causing us to allow them to run the show. And then from there, what we do is we reframe them. A lot of times it's not so much about a new tactic, but it's about the mindset that is connected to it and how we do not realize that there are certain senses of who I am and why I'm doing that is running the show more than what is conscious in our mind. And so once we do that, we create specific strategies to be applied in the dynamics of that CEO, whatever, whatever type of engagements or challenges they have. And we have like a recipe that they need to apply consistently, and then we sit and we unpack what happens and see what has worked, what hasn't, and we create new friends for the following sessions.